गो।
हे गाइस, मैं हूँ मिशा और ये है काजी और हम लोग कर रहे हैं इंडिया वर्सेस जर्मनी कि कौन सबसे पहले अपनी बॉर्डर क्रॉस करेगा। तो ये हमारी स्टार्टिंग लाइन है और वो वहाँ एंडिंग लाइन है। तो देखते हैं कौन पहले करता है। आर यू रेडी?
यस
यस। पीछे। ओके, रेडी?
यस।
3, 2, 1 go.
You can do it again.
Come on.
Kazi, you can do it again.
Yeah, you can do it again, Kazi.
Yeah, I think we have to. Yes. I mean,
India won. 3, 2, 1 go. Oh shit. Okay. I was.
congratulations.
It was a cheating or what? Yo. Okay, 3, 2, 1 go. Oh God. I lost. One more. Yeah, okay. 3, 2, 1 go. भैया सामने से बना लो ताकि दोनों आ जाए। Oh, I won?
Yeah, yeah.
What?
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Okay, ready? Go. Okay. Oh, एक ही leg से करना है.
Oh damn, he's first.
He's changed the leg. You're out.
I was doing it. I was doing it in my right knee.
Ah,
Still,
how many you did? Single leg से.
5,
You did just 5?
5.6.
You?
Let's see, I haven't counted. I was just.
I did 12. Come on, guys. Whoa. Okay. Go. Okay, how much?
10.
Almost 13. Yay!
Nice.
Finally, she won the game.
Yeah! And with the plaster, it's more heavy. Because I need to lift up this plaster above.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh fuck. Yeah, who's surprised? Who's surprised? Me not.
Okay. Okay. I was like, okay, I'm going on him, so let's get down. Okay. Yo. Yes. Whoa, nice.